guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello. Please subscribe down below, give this video a like, and today we're going to be doing this orange, smoky, I don't know what you'd call it, but I'm still in the fall mood, and I know I shouldn't be doing so much fall because by the time fall actually gets here, I'm not gonna want to do it, but I'm ready. I'm ready for it to be here. Like, oh, why? So that's what we're gonna do today. Thank you to
About That Mom Life, Sandra M, Paige Pagano, Belle Adams, Beck and Connor
for being the first person to comment on my last video. Be sure you subscribe to my channel because when we hit 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway of either the blow dryer that I got in my last BoxyCharm. That's supposed to be a drum roll. And a $40 palette. Or a Jeffree Star mystery box if I hit that 500 subscriber mark around the time he sets out a new mystery box. So, subscribe, guys. Come on, we can do it. We can do it. I'm getting anxious. I really want to do a giveaway, and you know, please, come on, let's go. I can never get my camera perfectly straight on that thing. I don't know why. First thing you're going to want to do is prime your eyes. I've been doing that with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And we are going to go in with the James Charles palette. And I'm going for another fall look. I know I shouldn't be doing so many fall looks because it's still summer, and by the time fall comes, I'm going to be uninspired by fall. But I just want to. So we're gonna go in with a little bit of this rusted orange color first. I have no idea where I'm going with it, but I want it to be kind of orange and rusty looking, obviously, but you know, we'll see. And I think I want to use the color Halloween somewhere on my eyes today. I've had this palette for a couple of months now, and I've never used the color Halloween. Granted, you know, I haven't had it around Halloween, but it's like this really pretty dark orange, copper, red, I don't even know how to describe it, shimmery shade, and I think it will be gorgeous. I just have never used it. So I know I've done a lot of looks like this lately, but this is just what I'm feeling, okay? This is just what my heart song is telling me. Are you gonna deny my heart song? Didn't fix it. So I'm gonna try and do a vlog while we're out. That'll include part of yesterday. I'm gonna go into this brown and maybe some of this brown, but mostly this brown. We'll see. Which will include part of yesterday. We went to the house, the old house, to see what all the renters had done, and like, the yard was bad enough that it looked like somebody hadn't even lived there, or like a hobo had come and like thrown out all his garbage and had just been camping out in the yard, you know, like trashing the place a little bit because they don't have like means to throw anything out or whatnot. I don't know. So that was kind of disappointing. I was like, oh, frick. It's going to be a lot of work. My husband's mad. It sucks. You know, we've never come and bother them for anything. We've never like, you know, you better have this done by today because we're going to stop by and check the house out. And if it doesn't look right, you know, blah, 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 blah. No, we've never really been those type of landlords. Like, we know what shape the house was in before, so it's not like we're like, you know, this better be in pristine condition, but like, they trashed the place. By trash, I mean they just didn't give a fuck. And it's super disappointing. I'm gonna go in with just a, I know, I'm too much. I'm going with just a little bit of black. Like I said, I know I'm too much. I know this is really pretty and I could probably stop here, but I just want a little bit more dimension right in that crease, like just right in that little area. And like, it's super disappointing because, like I said, we're not the type of people to like bother. If something's wrong and we have to come up there, you know, we'll come up there, but like, we don't intrude and like stop in, because I've lived in an apartment. I know that like they'll just make random visits, and it doesn't matter if you're at work or if you're home, like they will make random visits and like go through your house or your apartment and make sure things are like the way they want them to be. I used to have a hookah that I used to smoke like that like tacky tobacco out of. Like it was actually tobacco, but they came through one day while I was at work and they left a note on my refrigerator that said, "You need to hide your drugs," or, you know, it was something along those lines. And I was like, drugs? What drugs is she talking about? Because it was a lady apartment manager or whatever. It's like, I don't have any drugs. And like, I guess after like looking around, I realized that she was talking about my hookah. And I was like, that's just smoked like tobacco. Like literal sheesh. But no, we've never like barged in and like checked out their place. We've dropped by once to give them a refrigerator and once to give them to clean out the little storage building we have so that they could use it for whatever they want. And that we've never like gone over there and bothered them. And that is what we get, because then they tore the place apart. We went over to empty the storage building out. The yard was a mess then, and my husband was upset, and I was like, well, you know, it was like February. I was like, they just moved in at the end of fall, so maybe they just haven't gotten a lawnmower. Well, here it is, the middle of summer, almost the end, and the yard still looks the same. And our previous like neighbor, like our neighbor that lives out there, was like, yeah, this yard has looked like this the whole time. It got to the point where I went out there and mowed it myself just because it looks so bad. And I'm like, why? You know, I sit here and defend you and like try to make it seem like it's a good thing that you're here because, you know, you're paying rent. And now we're gonna go into with Halloween. You know, but I can't defend you if you're sitting here tearing up the place. You You gotta work with me. But they're moving out now. We've got to find new renters for the place, which kind of sucks because it's a long process. I really wish that they'd just stay there and, you know, actually rent or actually take care of the place, but then also, like, if they didn't do it the first time, they're not going to do it the second, so. According to our neighbors, though, they weren't, like, bad. They didn't cause problems or anything. They were just lazy. But it does make it really hard to, like, rent it back out. Because now I've got to, like, do some major cleaning, possibly some work, put in some money, which I did not want to do. I didn't want to have to put any money into this place, like, none. I want to tear the place down. Going into a little bit of so good. I actually don't like it. No, that wasn't what I was going for. Let's try a little bit of face. I am not liking the way this is turning out. Awesome, awesome. Well, it's official. I'm not that big of a fan of Halloween. The color. Love the season, or love the holiday. Love the holiday, not so much a fan of the color. It's not giving me or doing for me what I need it to do. It's not the color that I envisioned. I'm going to go in with a little bit of 518 just to lighten that up just a tad. I don't know. I'm not feeling this look now. Halloween did not give me the vibes that I was going for. What do you guys think? I think it looks bad now. I'm kind of not feeling this. Let's see if a wing can save it. Let's save it. I don't know if it fixed it, but we're gonna go ahead and do my other eye and my face makeup and possibly put on lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay, that was a pain in my butt. My lashes, as always. I've put on lashes, I've done my face makeup, my eyebrows. Use this as my face highlight and put it on my inner corner. We're going to finish this look up because it's getting a little crazy out in the other room, and I'm sure my husband wants me out there. So we're going to take a little bit of spooky on the lower lash line. You think the color spooky and the color Halloween would just go so perfectly. I'm still not loving the Halloween shade, but I don't know. It's not so bad now that I've got the lashes on it kind of covering up a little bit. I'm going to go into No Beans. I'm going to blend that out just a little bit. I usually would not use a brush this big, on my lower lash line, but we're going in with it. And then we're going to go in with Rested. Really do that. Okay, now we're going to take liner. Now that we've got the liner on, we're going to put some mascara. Back out. Are my eyebrows a little thick today? I feel like they're thick today. They're thick. They're some thick broads. So yeah, I'm gonna try and do a vlog today of the day because we're supposed to be going to Evansville. I don't know how well that's gonna work out, but we're gonna try. So yeah, I do like that a little bit, well, at least in my viewfinder, or whatever you'd call a viewfinder. I do like it a little bit more now that the mascara is on. I am starting to feel it a little bit more. Okay, lips. What do I want for lips? Of course a nude. Just which one? Let's see what, I've never put mannequin on by itself. I'm down with the sickness. I think it's a beautiful shade. I was just always so worried that it wouldn't look right on my skin. It is actually so gorgeous. And now I'm kind of kicking myself I didn't put it on sooner by itself. Wow. Alright guys, that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Give this video a like and leave a comment letting me know how I did on this look. If you don't like the Halloween, the shimmery shade on my lid too, what you would have put in its place, and what look you'd like to see next using what palette. You guys know most of the palettes that I have, so. Alright guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!